Hi, I'm Tony with Pig Brig, one of the co-founders of the company, and I'm here just to do a quick demonstration on what you'd expect to receive when you get your shipment of a Pig Brig Trap System. You can order this, by the way, on pigbrig.com, and feel free to go to the website for additional information. When you get your net, they'll typically come in a rectangular box. That'll be your net package, and we try to package these with the seam on top. And you'll notice in the upper corners of the net we'll have hog rings, and we'll get to that in other videos demonstrating the importance of their placement. This is a base net series. If you get a Pro Series, you will receive a trap cap on top as a separate entity, and then you'll also receive a base net with a Boar Shield that comes as part of that package for a Pro Series assembly. The accessories will come in a separate box, a longer box, and you'll see why with our anchor stakes. You'll receive 10 cam straps. These are used to attach the top of the T-post to the ground anchors. So you'll have 2 bags of 5. You will then also get the T-post mounts. There'll be 11 of these because I've done it myself, and you'll lose some of the parts in the field, and you want to make sure you have a couple extras. You'll only need 10 for the 10 T-posts that you'll need to acquire on your own. We also include the measuring strap, which will facilitate setup in the field for placement of your T-posts. There's always been some confusion on the various items. So these are called ground anchors, and a cable system with a metal plate that are used to attach the cam strap from the top of the post to the ground. And these are simply used by placing the drive rod that goes with the ground anchors into the metal plate, and then that is inserted in the ground for ensuring the stability of the trap system. As these are ground anchors, these are anchor stakes, and you'll have 5 of these. And these help hold the inner portion of the net we call a skirt close to the center of the trap so that the pigs can't shift that for escape purposes. These are half-inch round stock steel rods, and they will ensure that the trap system retains all the pigs after they've entered. And then we just add a small packet of zip ties, so if the trap does get damaged or the netting does get cut, it's easy to reattach those cut mesh, and your trap is just as sound as new.